Imagine the day when reality was whispered into existence by the breath of eternities, when stars blazed into life with a spark beyond quantum explosions. This isn't just another origin story. This is boundless. Know this because everything's about to change. Amidst the swirling galactic symphony, the architect, a timeless weaver of universes, sat at the core of all creation, an ethereal draftsman sketching constellations with a sweep of cosmic ink. Beside him, Eve-lyn and Adamas hovered, not mortals of clay, but luminescent energies, vibrant and resplendent with the potential of entire galaxies. Adamas and Eve-lyn, the living galaxies themselves, reveled in the purity of creation, suspended in a cosmos of unending possibilities, a realm devoid of entropy. But beneath the radiant calm of this universe, the architect foresaw the shadow of burgeoning disobedience, a divergence from the harmonic frequency of existence he had lovingly tuned. Despite the architect's warnings, Adamas, drawn by a tesseract fruit hanging from the tree of infinity, tasted of the forbidden, a celestial anomaly pulsing with forbidden knowledge. Eve-lyn mirrored him, spiraling through a wormhole of irresistible curiosity. This moment, a fracture within the perpetual sequence, shattered the celestial harmony like a solar flare against quiet stardust. Thus, the realms of Edenia fell, an elegant collapse of stars swirling into chaos across eight-dimensional space-time. Adamas and Eve-lyn awoke to find themselves transformed, a paradox of light and shadow, and banished into the cauldron of the temporal rift nebula, with the architect's divine sigh echoing throughout the cosmos. In the face of chaos, hope was born. Cast adrift among the celestial debris, Adamas swore redemption. Navigating stardust storms and traversing the radiant trails of supernovae, he sought the elusive well of redemption. Meanwhile, Eve-lyn, seeking refuge in the luminous caverns of Quasar's call, distilled her essence, learning the language of time and space. And yet the question lingered: could the stars forgive? Their paths revealed that only through unity could the harmony of creation be restored. United once more, Adamas and Eve-lyn harnessed their newfound wisdom, conjuring bridges of living light between scattered galaxies, restoring balance and coaxing life from the cosmic void. Inspired by their perseverance, the architect, witnessing their unwavering resolve, bestowed upon them a final gift, a rebirth into a constellation of irrevocable beauty. Restored and invigorated, Adamas and Eve-lyn assumed their celestial roles as guardians of the cosmic tapestry. Together they danced across the time-wind plains, their story etched into the fabric of the universe, a testament to resilience and unity. For in the beginning, they dared to defy, but in their rekindling, they found the purity of purpose, a tale of redemption woven into the tapestry of the stars.